This is a Meshtastic 433 MHz bidirectional RF amplifier. It produces 2.3 watt output at 5 volts. Let's have a look at it. This USB connector is not provided by the vendor. I have attached it myself. Only this 5 volt white color jack is provided with the open wires on the other end. Its model number is ABIOT 433. These amplifiers come in at least two forms. One is with SMA connectors and the other is for SMT. Amplifier is beautifully shielded to save it from external interference. This is the variable to adjust gain between 5 dB and 11 dB. This SMA connector is for the input and this SMA connector is for the output. It goes to antenna. Input side will connect to a Meshtastic device. On the other side of the amplifier, there is a heat sink. It is a good effort to manage amplifier's heat. I have tested this amplifier and it works great. See you again in another video.